Hey everybody, so here we are at the end of another year. 2024 is almost over and we've done a lot this year. I have done a lot this year. So a few milestones for the channel, the 50 subscribers, 11,000 plus views, and you know, people watching the videos. So I suppose that's what it's all about at the end of the day. Got a lot of stuff done this year, got a few more things done that were never planned, the spray booth and doing a lot more with the powder coating stuff. We've got a couple other projects that we've been playing with in the background. We haven't put any videos out on that yet, but that'll all come out next year. You know, our goal this year was to always set that goal for 52 videos, and we're going to hit about 38, so I think that's pretty good. That's 10 plus more than last year, so always time for improvement. I think we're going to get a lot through next year. We've got a lot coming out, the 180 stuff, more XR6, a few other cars, some other projects that we've got that we've been investing in as well, so it's going to be interesting. There's a lot of little things that I do that aren't on here as well, so we'll probably shoot that, and hopefully by sometime next year, middle of the year or towards the end of the year, we can start getting some of our cars to some car meets and some track days and all sorts of different things like that. So that is our plan, to move in that direction. We've got a lot of stuff happening next year if it all goes to plan, so it's going to be a massive year. But again, thank you for everyone who's added to the channel, who's helped out, who's commented and everything like that, and yeah, made it what it is. Heaps of thanks to everyone who supports me, my family and everybody else, so I really appreciate it. And it certainly has been fun and an adventure as well. It's I'm not looking to change the world, but you never know. But yeah, so thanks for everything, and yeah, good luck next year.